Use the grep and the regular expression to analyze the text at end. Another is access the remote system using the SSH. Right now, I need to check the command is a ifconfig 10.0.0.2. I am going to change this one first. So Control F and wow. So my IP address is this. Actually, how to access your system through the SSH. So what is the SSH? SSH is a secure shell. Secure shell means this is my machine, this is my server, and this server not available for everyone to access. Correct? Just connecting the keyboard or the mouse and use this. Nobody is going to be access the server directly. So most of the system administrator are accessing the server while using some tools. So what are the tools here? Another machine, I am going to start the RHEL 9 and I need to set it a network here. The setting and putting here the bridge adapter. Okay. So through the one machine Linux to access another machine using the SSH or the secure shell. So you need to run this command SSH and get the IP address of the target machine. First, you need to check your own IP address, ifconfig, to check your own IP address. And you must be able to make the communication. Like I am using the SSH and give the IP address 192.168.0.104. This is the IP address of my Kali Linux machine and hit enter. So connection refused. So why this connection is refused? There is a possibilities, maybe possible the SSH server is not running on the target machine, or maybe possible you don't have the active connection. So for checking the active connection, you can use the ping command 192.168.0.104 and hit enter. So I am getting the reply. So my machine is able to communicate with the server, but I am not able to access. So what is the reason? There is a possibilities of another machine, like on this machine. On this machine, I am going to run this command here. Ping, I need to run clear everything, and sudo systemctl and start. First, I am going to check the status of the SSH service. I need to put my password here. Service is not enabled, so first I need to start the service. Start, and now check again. Now the service is active. So if the service is active, now I am moving on my real machine, and on the real machine I am going to connect the SSH using the same fingerprint yes, and give the password for the Kumar. So I am putting the password here. So this is my Kali Linux. I config IP address of my config and sudo systemctl and status SSH service. So it is running and active. So actually, right now, what I am doing, I have the access of the Kali Linux, okay, on my RHEL 9. Is there any other method? If I am using the Windows, so through the Windows, how will I connect? I will show you. Right now, I am using, there is one tool known as a putty. On the putty, I am going to put the IP address 192.168.0.104. This is the IP address of the Kali Linux. So I am putting the IP address here and open, accept, and use the username Kumar and give the password here. Now I am logged in, and I have the access of Kali Linux. I have config command here. That's it. And now check the running service of the sudo systemctl status and SSH service. If you are running the SSH good enough, ex admin and with the password here, and the service is active and running. So what I need to do right now, whatever I will do here, it will be display on the screen. Okay, means it will be affected over the Kali Linux. Like ls command, here is some files I have created, error, google.com output and status.txt. If I want to open this file, so simply I can run this cat command and I can check here. The same command, whatever I have used, I can use here and use the grep and then check the anything and get the result. Or I can use the tail command, or I can use the head command, whatever you like, you can use.